blooper in the YouTube. We're so sorry. Me and Luigi logo and Pizza logo is sorry for bullying. But can we please just be friends? We won't do this again. We won't. Can you subscribe? And I stopped. I unblocked. Don't put this video on the worst playlist. I'm sorry. I won't do this ever again. But if you don't trust me, I will delete this video. So, anyways, I'm sorry for bullying. But can you please stop bullying Logo's channel, please? We're sorry for bullying. And I edited my name into MNP logo. I think I know how to change my profile picture, but I don't know it to get the profile picture. Change it. How to change it? But I don't know how to change it. I'm making a new channel.